Hello YouTube, ChargeTech is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a gaming service installation error 0x80073D26 on Windows computer. So when you try to install gaming service or when you are using your gaming service, it may show you the installation error. So to fix this problem in this video, we are going to see two solutions to solve this problem, and it will work on all Windows operating system, Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's start from solution number one. So solution number one would be changing some settings under the registry editor. In order to do that, click here the search icon and open it. Then type here regedit. Here the registry editor. Then right click on it and select run as administrator. Then confirm by selecting here yes. So after the registry editor opened, make sure you back up your registry editor in case if something would happen, you can get back to your previous registry editor. So click your file, then select here export and save it to wherever you want. You can save it on the desktop. You can give a name here. In my case, I already saved my registry editor as a backup. Just give a name here and click here save. Then your registry editor backup will be saved under the desktop. Here I have on my desktop. So in case if something would happen, you can get back to there. So to get back to the solution, so after you open your registry editor, go here and in the top, click here this arrow to open the computer. Then select here HK local machine, click the arrow. Then after that, select system and click here the arrow. Then after that, you will find here current control set. Again, click here the arrow. Then click here services and click here the arrow. Then under the services, go down and find gaming service, which is under the G. We are here F then G. Here we find gaming service. So select gaming service and right click on it and select delete. And confirm by selecting here yes. And again here gaming service net, again right click on it and select here delete and click here yes. And again you will find here game input service. If you find it there, again right click on it and select delete and confirm by selecting here yes. So after you delete all these things under your registry editor, then turn off your registry editor and check by installing your gaming service. If the problem still occurring, then the second solution for this video will be uninstalling and reinstalling back the gaming service using the Powershell. So to do that, click here the search icon. And after that, type here Powershell. So here the Windows Powershell, right click on it and select run as administrator. Then confirm by selecting here yes. So after you find here the PowerShell, here I have a command that we are going to use it. So these two commands will help you to remove and reinstall back the gaming service. So I'm going to put this commands under the description box. So copy the first one, this one, copy and paste it. Then paste the command here, which is you can go here, right click on it and click here edit, then select paste and press enter. Then it will process to remove the gaming service from your computer. It may take some time. Wait patiently until it will finish. So here the removing process become completed. Then after that, then install the gaming service. So mark this one, copy, or right click on it, then select copy. Then after that, go here in the top again, right click on it, select here edit, then select here paste and press enter. Then it will directly lead you to the Microsoft Store and it will open the gaming service. So as you can see here, gaming service become available. So click here the gate icon and it will start downloading the gaming service. So click here, yes, and it will start downloading the gaming service. So these are the solution on how you can fix a Microsoft Store gaming service installation error. I hope this video helped you. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.